Welcome to Mladinska oddaja. My name is Giovanna, and after a journey around the world, I decided to stop in Krško for a bit to explore its spiritual potential.
Namaste.
We are in a spiritual journey, and we came to the town of Krško, Slovenia. We decided to go on a quest, looking for signs of spiritual awakening in this beautiful little town.
We are curious to find out. Do people here meditate? Do they practice yoga? Or do they even know what it is? I wonder if they eat meat. Will we see anyone walking without shoes? Do they know about energy? Do they ever hug here? Or connect? Stay tuned.
Hug someone.
Hug people? No. No, I don't like.
Well, you hug someone usually if he's a good friend.
We're not big huggers,
I only hug my closest friends, really the closest friends.
so we just, maybe wave or nothing.
Maybe just shake hands, yeah? Or just wave, hey.
Hugging is not something you would do to just a normal friend, or...
Can you remember the last time you hugged someone?
No, actually not. My brother, a year ago. I remember now.
I would say we eat a lot of meat.
All kind of meat, yeah?
I eat everything.
I eat meat like once a week. My wife's sister is vegetarian. She's a vegan actually.
People don't really like vegans. Because, if somebody just says, no, I'm vegan, everybody starts laughing, making fun.
I have some words that they can be on YouTube. No, I eat meat. It's natural process. Human. We're built for eating meat, the same as bears.
Nature provides everything you need.
Yeah, I walk barefoot at home all the time.
Yes, but usually not in the city.
Outside too, yes. But not in a city, I live in a village, so it's easier because it's grass.
No.
You ever do it?
Not really.
Oh, well, no, I prefer to walk with shoes.
Okay.
Because it's not good for foot or for legs.
Do you know what yoga is?
Yes, but we don't do that here.
No?
No. Unless someone wants to, but I don't know anyone who does that.
Yes, and I want to try it. That's just one of the things I want to do in the near future, yeah?
I tried it a bit, but it's not really my thing.
I don't do yoga, but I do meditation. This is like a personal thing. I don't share this with other people that I meditate. It's my daily routine.
just having a 5 minutes for myself, just resting, sitting in the park, listening for the birds. That's for me meditation. Yeah?
Well, clearing your mind, forgetting about everything else and just be in the moment.
Connection. To connect with people, I don't know, to be on the same page with them, to think in the same direction.
Internet.
Energy.
No, energy, then water and power, electricity.
What is energy for me?
Energy.
I don't know. I just I imagine it like if people are full of energy, positive all the time.
Energy is something you will feel when you feel alive, or when you're in the moment. You know when you have the energy.
Finally, our spiritual quest has come to an end, and we need to move on to our next destination. Our journey through Krško left us sometimes almost desperate, but in the end we found out that there are sparkles of light in each one of us. Our conclusion is that there is potential for enlightenment, and we feel that a spiritual awakening is coming. Let's finish together with one Om. Peace. Peace. I wanna love you and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that we are feeling? If you hear the word hippie, what do you think?
Hippie, just I see the market of the house, some reclam, some market hippie. But I don't know what is it.
Hello, my name is Lyudmila. Enjoy my first impressions of Krško.
Here's a throwback of Lent festival in Maribor, which the girls attended a month ago.
I had a dream we were sipping skinny, high slowed a battery, and I was high enough. Somewhere along the lines we stopped seeing eye to eye. You were saying not enough, and I had enough.
This year's Lent festival had a lot to offer. The girls were particularly impressed by a painting exhibition, an Iranian food workshop, and the Theatre of the Oppressed performance. Check it out. We see an exhibition of a hobby artists whose privilege I have to be the mentor of, and every year they have an exhibition on the living courtyard where they present what they have been doing throughout the entire year. Topics are various, techniques are various, it is just simply to come and to discover.
No, v glavnem moram reči, da je to moje hobi vsa ta leta iz moje mladosti, iz šole ven. Kadar se ne počutim dobro ali pa ne vem, kaj bi, pred kakšno rešitev bi zakaj našla, takrat grem slikati.
V glavnem sem začel z linorezi, nadaljeval z tehniki pastela.
Vsa ta leta sem probala veliko tehnik slikanja. Od slikanja linorez kot linorez, suha igla, kiparila sem, to se pravi delala tudi z glino, veliko različnih tehnik. Vendar sem ugotovila nazadnje, da mi je tehnika slikanja z oljem najbolj všeč.
Vsak si išče sam motive, je pač neka želja poustvarjena, ko vidiš tisti izdelek, ko ga narediš, ne, da je takrat nekaj nastane, pa če je toliko kvalitetno, da je za pogledati lepo, pa vse, takrat si pač vesel pa zadovoljen, ne, in imaš pol veselje še naprej delati. Ne.
Predvsem pa me je naučila Maja, kako se slika pri tem kubizmu. Ne rabiš naslikati točno tak, kak je hiša ali pa roža, ampak ti naslikaš to, kaj čutiš, ne kaj vidiš.
So se likovniki potrudili in izdelali skupni izdelek. Gre za poštno kočijo, ki jo je sestavljalo kar 8 avtorjev. Avtorji so dobili vsak svoj košček fotografije in so morali to na večje platno preslikati in potem seveda zadevo sestaviti.
Te razstave zdaj sploh v okviru teh živih dvorišč, te so malo zdaj drugačni, ne, pristop.
To je kot neka mala družina, potem pridemo skupaj, nekaj ustvarimo, naredimo in mali skupnosti predstavimo.
Come to here, because here is Renka. This is a Persian soup that we serve in summer. It's made of yogurt, cucumbers, walnuts, and salt and pepper. And we put, if it's very hot, we put ice inside and we serve it. So basically we have it with bread, but today I'm just serving this like everybody can try and hopefully cool down because it's quite warm. This fantastic soup for the summertime because it really helps you to feel cooler, you know. After eating this, you don't feel the heat so much.
And go in your position. What you saw was the performance of Theatre of the Oppressed. This is a method that is working with people and for people, so the topics are always coming from the group that we work with. And the performances are always interactive, which means that we always work with people that are there in the performance. We see this as a very important thing because if people just see the performance and go home with some ideas, this is one level of accepting or getting the message, but if they need to also participate, like we saw today, like come on the stage and try out with their bodies, not only with their thoughts, how is it to play some role, especially because we always show the situations of oppression, so how is it to be in an oppressed situation with their bodies and how to fight this oppression. We see this as a way how to maybe change individuals and also society.
What did you see? What was happening? Da se ne pogovarjate z nekom, ki ga želiš imeti v svoji I'm not here for the second part.
Theater of the Oppressed is the theater for social changes. You as well, you're coming on the stage and you try to fix some things. You have an opportunity to go, and maybe you will fight. Maybe you will fight more when this will happen as well in a reality, in a real world.
A wise person once said, Krško has a lot of good things sometimes, but sometimes it doesn't.
When I first found out that I would do my EVS in Slovenia, of course I wanted to know where I would be going to. Let's check Google. Oh, but wait, where am I going to? But as it turns out, I didn't have to worry that much after all. Krško is quite a beautiful town. We have a beautiful city center, amazing parks, and some benches. At least I think they are benches. As I was visiting the city, I started wondering after some hours, where are the people? Where are the people? Are they here? Maybe here? Oh, there's some people. But you know, it's no problem. I think that this is gonna be a really fun experience anyway. So that's why I followed all the signs to the most popular places in Krško to find some friends.
Let's see whether we'll find any people in the shopping center, the center of life of Krško.
Look, there's a person over there. But then I discovered why I didn't find any people. It's because they're all in their cars and super sociable. Since there are no people in Krško, it's a super safe place to live. In fact, it's so safe that doors don't even work, because you don't need to close them. But who needs doors anyways, if you have other cool security measurements? Fantastico! We're done! But no matter how safe Krško is,
oh my god!
You're never safe from the enemy inside of your house.
What are we going to do with her?
I don't know.
After a long night of battling against the spiders, I decided to take a break from Krško.
If I want to go somewhere, I just need to go to the station, which is 5 minutes in that direction. In theory, but Krško only has one bridge, so let's go.
Finally, we're at the train station. Now we just need to cross over the rail tracks. Maybe we should try to imitate some locals. I bet if they're doing it, it can't be that dangerous. But now, where do I buy the ticket? Perfect! It's closed as always. Yep, guess who's not going on the trip today? After seeing literally everything Krško has to offer, I can definitely say I hate Krško.
Thanks for watching.
See you next month.